In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate super realistic images and videos of AI influencers, just like this one. As you can see, this looks super realistic, and we're going to basically do the same thing here. Now, the first thing is you might be saying, okay, let's just use Nano Banana Pro. And yeah, you could use it on Gemini, but whenever I paste in a prompt like this, let's just see exactly the type of quality that it generates. As you could see, it looks really fake. Like, yeah, it doesn't look terrible, but this is obviously an AI generated image. Now, this isn't to say that Nano Banana Pro is bad. What you do is you go and use a platform like Higgsfield and you generate it. Now, you go into image, create image on Higgsfield. And by the way, this video isn't sponsored by Higgsfield. This is genuinely just a really good tool that I want to share with you guys. And then you set it to Nano Banana Pro, set it to the aspect ratio. You could set it to 2K quality, and the batch size is like the number of images you can make at once. Unlimited is you can generate only one at a time, but you could generate unlimited. I'm not going to do it for this video because it's quite slow, but if you want to save on credits, which like Higgsfield does give you, you could do so. So now that we hit generate, we just gotta wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's already in progress, and in a few moments, we are going to be able to generate this prompt. After that, once we have our image, then we'll go into video and actually create a nice video of it. So let's give it a few seconds here and let's see the type of output it will give us. The reason why I like to do 4 at a time is because sometimes it will create lower quality output images. However, if you make it generate a few at a time, you can pick and choose. So as you can see, we're already generating, and these images like this one right here, super realistic. This one's this one's not terrible. I just don't like this guy's arm here. This one's actually also pretty good. This one's not, yeah, this one's not too bad, but I definitely say this one's the most realistic by far. I also generated this one, the same prompt earlier as a test, so this is not terrible either way, but I really like this one. So we're gonna download it right here, and then we're gonna go into video, generate video, and right here for the start frame, we're just gonna paste in this exact video that we created, and we're gonna say politician gives a speech. Now, after this, you can choose the model. I would genuinely recommend using K-Ling, and like K-Ling 2.6 isn't too bad, but I like K-Ling 2.1 or 2.5 because it makes the videos extremely smooth, realistic, and it doesn't cost too much. So you can make them 5 seconds, 10 seconds. I'm going to keep the resolution at 720p for now just to like save time on this video. And now we're just going to give it a few minutes and basically wait for it to actually create the video. So I'll be back in 2 seconds. And just like that, now we're back. Let's check it out. And look at that. This looks really good. Like the hand movement is matching up with the screen right here. Like it is super nice. I will say I don't know what this lady is doing with her hand, but you could obviously regenerate this a few times, but still it is super realistic, really awesome. And now one issue a lot of people face is, okay, let's say I have a character. Let's say I want to use, I don't know, like this lady right here, right? How do I generate more images of this lady? So it's really simple. All you have to do is press download. You don't have to train anything. Just reuse this image and say something like, this lady is sitting on a couch at home. This will still result in character consistency and will still make it like really high quality because it's going to learn off of this lady and it's going to be able to create images based on that lady. So a lot of people will complicate this part. But in reality, as long as you have one good reference photo, I wouldn't consider this to be a great reference photo, but if you have just one reference photo of her like standing and her face very clear, that would be extremely good to just paste it back into Higgsfield, write whatever prompt you want of that lady, and yeah, in a few moments, we'll see how it generates, and it should look super good and super realistic nevertheless, in order to maintain character consistency. So just like that, boom. This isn't terrible. This is a pretty okay photo. Let's see what else it'll generate. Good. Not bad, not bad. And let's see the last two in progress ones. Let's give it a few moments. Oh, just like that. Yeah, see, look at these. These look very realistic, really good, and look like they were basically taken a photo of by a professional camera. So that's awesome. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot, and I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers.